Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. This is my cat who's come for a nose because I'm out in the hallway and I've got a whingy jealous dog supervisor as well. Today I just wanted to talk about my front doorstep. I've had a delivery of a concrete based tile adhesive from B&Q, so I can tile my front doorstep, and a big tub for the bathroom as well. These are the tiles I've bought. These are quarry tiles. I bought black ones because my front door's black, so I thought it would match nicely. The original tiles were terracotta, but some were chipped, broken and missing, so I'm just going to show you. So there's a few left. As you can see, it's a mess at the moment. So I've been chipping them off bit by bit, and I've left the last stubborn ones for my son to do. So he's off for the next few days, so I'm going to enroll him, whether he wants to or not, to get these last three ones here off, because I just couldn't shift them. So they've been there for months, and I'm hoping the weather will have lifted them a bit. And once my new black ones are in place, in situ, they'll look lovely against the black front door and the black tongue and groove in the vestibule as well. So hopefully get that done. It's raining today, but I wasn't planning on doing it today anyway, but I hope the weather clears up over the next few days so I can get it done. So bye for now. Let me know if you're doing any DIY to save money as well, because I've got to, because I live on such a tiny budget, and hope to see you soon.